Okay, I haven't been posting too many videos lately, more or less because the market is, as much as it makes me nervous, the market's actually been made it easy trading. And took a little poll in the chat room, and a lot of folks agreed that it's actually making them nervous too. Trades are actually coming real easy right now, so it's no reason to put out videos when probably everybody's making money. But I did want to cover a couple today. YRCW, the trucker. Beautiful daily chart. Looks really strong here. I'll show you the daily. Now, I'd actually have to zoom in and ignore today's candle to show you what it looked like going into today. And that's what it looked like. We just had this on long watch because it sure looked like it could break out. So I'll show you today's candle now there. Throw that back in. Switch to 5-minute candles from today. Had an early spike to 268. Middle morning spike, early morning spike to 265. And then subsequent spike to 263, and a nice sideways move after that. So we posted somewhere around here in chat. Somebody reminded me, hey, what about YRCW? I looked at it and said, ooh, I like it over 263. So 264, worst case stop down below this base at 259. It's about a nickel risk, folks. And from 264 pretty quickly to 289, and ultimately all the way to 322 for a 22% profit potential there. And the risk was a nickel per share. So, that's what we pride ourselves on. I know you hear it all the time out of me, but it is. We look for the low risk setups. If this would have had a 264 trigger and based on the chart, the intelligent stop would have been at 220, we just wouldn't take in the trade. We'd look elsewhere. Okay, so everything we do is based on the chart, charts that offer low risk entries. We also traded YRCW today. That's the one I just talked about. Let me try that again. Yeah, thank God it's almost Friday, huh? That's not it either. SWKS, by the way, did meet our parameters, but I missed the entry. A huge gain there today. United Airlines is what I was looking for. And here's the daily on this one. We added it to our watch list in the pre-market because it was gapping up. We threw a few airlines on there, but really liked the gap on United Airlines because it was up over, this is a 100-day chart, over all of its last 100 days. And zoom out real quick and show you the 1 year. Certainly had room above, and I love the gap. So that said, let me zoom back in, show you the 100-day chart again. Nice breakout. And then to 5-minute candles. Using a technique that we've been using lately. Now back in November, December, January, February, March, we would not have even considered taking these early trades. But, they were very dangerous. None of them ever worked. The market was too weak. But the market's so strong right now. These early trades are working like a charm. So I might as well roll with it until it stops working. Like they say, technical analysis works until it doesn't. Well, this method we've been using lately is working, and we'll keep using it until it doesn't. And we're pretty quick to heed warnings that the market gives us. So until then, UAUA, using one of our techniques I called at 7:16 this morning. It was literally about 2 or 3 minutes in, right here, with a worst case stop at the low of the day, 7:01. So a 15-cent risk there. Never even looked back, really, from 7:16 straight up to 786, and scaling out all the way up as we teach. You could have chosen to take your profits anywhere over the next 20 minutes and made your whole day. As a matter of fact, a trend I've noticed lately is we're making most of our money in the mornings, and I'll see people 30 minutes in saying, hey, thanks, I'm going to the boat. I don't think they mean the river boat for gambling. I think they mean their recreational boat, but I never really asked them. But that's been a trend lately. Or, hey, thanks, I'm going to play golf. Great morning. And in the afternoons, we're catching spotty setups here and there, but nothing like these early morning trades. So as long as they're working, we're going to keep doing them, and we'll adapt when things change. So have a great night, and we'll see everybody on Friday.